Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to improve your flanking techniques in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, understand the layout of the map to identify key flanking routes and choke points. Wait for opportune moments when enemies are distracted or engage with your teammates. Coordinate with your team to create diversions or coordinate simultaneous attacks. Move quietly to avoid alerting enemies to your presence prematurely. Crouch or go prone to reduce your visibility and make it hard for enemies to detect you. Be aware of potential enemy flanking routes while you're flanking to avoid getting caught yourself. Avoid predictable paths. Vary your flanking routes to keep enemies guessing. Deploy smoke grenades or stun grenades to cover your movements or disorient enemies. Stick to walls, buildings, or natural terrain to stay concealed and minimize exposure. Coordinate with your teammates to flank from multiple directions simultaneously for maximum effectiveness. Avoid rushing in. Take your time to assess the situation and plan your approach. Aim down sights before rounding corners or entering enemy territory to be ready for immediate engagement. Move during noisy moments to mask your footsteps. Plan flanks that keep within you the safe zone while catching enemies off guard. Adjust your flanking route based on where enemies are currently positioned or where they likely to move. Gain elevation to have a better vantage point and surprise enemies from above. Choose weapons and perks that complement flanking tactics, such as silence weapons or perks like Ghost. Be prepared to abandon a flank if it's compromised or adapt to unexpected developments. Use UAVs or reconnaissance tools to scout enemy positions before committing to a flank. Focus on flanking objectives or high-value targets to disrupt enemy strategy effectively. Utilize vehicles to quickly reposition for flanks or to approach enemy from unexpected angles. Capitalize on airstrikes, explosions, or other distractions to initiate a successful flank. That's how to improve your flanking techniques in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.